a world where strength and resilience reign, where mysteries abound and wonders await. It's a realm where durability resonates with an otherworldly magnitude. Brace yourselves for a glimpse of remarkable toughness. From the vast tapestry of strength and resilience, it stands tall as the embodiment of durability. Experience the robustness of our product that are built to last, with warranty like no other. Presenting the revolutionary Bajaj Duracoat non-stick heating element. Built to endure the extreme hard water conditions, providing you with hot water no matter what. It's built tough with non-stick coating on the heating element and comes with 6-year warranty. A decade of endurance assured by the durable Bajaj Dura Ace tank, featuring marine-grade glass line coating with a 10-year warranty. Discover the all-new range of Bajaj water heaters, now backed by superior product warranty of 4 years. This new range of Bajaj water heaters is built to be unstoppable. Unlock the power of 3 with our extraordinary 10-6-4 years warranty. Bajaj, built for life.